I just passed my AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam last month, and here is the topics that I went through before I went to the exam. Fundamental of cloud only. It doesn't require any coding, troubleshooting, implementation, or any deep dive thinking at all. So anyone should be able to pass the exam easily, but you need to prepare for it. If you're well prepared, you should be confident to the exam. The exam has 65 multiple choice, and those multiple choice, some are count, some are not, but you should have done all of them anyways. So the exam includes 50 questions that affect your score.
There are 4 domains in exam. Domain 1, cloud concepts. Cloud concept is like, what is the benefits of the AWS cloud? For example, cost saving, economic of scale, global infrastructure, speed of deployment, global reach, high availability, elasticity, and agility. Identify the concept of architecture frameworks. So basically, security, reliability, performance, efficiency, cost optimizations, sustainability. So those will be for domain 2. They will talk about security and compliance. Security and compliance. I see a lot of questions for domain 2 in exam, especially AWS shared responsibility, IAM, because identity and access management, networking, and some things like security, that password. You can have a look more in the module, but it's quite a lot in exam, quite heavily, talking about almost 30%. Exam like internet gateway, IAM least privilege, single sign-on, group, roles, and policy. When to use them. Next is domain 3, cloud technology and services, on what type of deployment model, how to access into AWS workspace, for example, SDK, console, or CLI. They also test you about the VPNs, networking, AWS Direct Connect, public internet. Exam will also test you about the AWS database type, for example, NoSQL, DynamoDB, Aurora, or SQL. What's the difference? What's the main difference? You should be able to answer in the question. Last one is about billing, pricing, and support. Keywords, spot instance. There will be questions like how much you have to pay for it, but they will ask you to pick what's the best options for saving, storage, and tiers, AWS partner, marketplace. Okay, good luck.